Hey, this is Oscar from Ricoh Europe. Right, so we've been using Reactiv throughout the week here at ISE, basically to explain the value of the simple user experience. So there's a lot of power packed into the software, there are loads of capabilities, but the user experience is the story that we're telling here today, and that is, it's really easy to use, and you have all of the functions embedded within a single platform is really powerful. For me, it's really easy to use. One thing I really like to demo is, for instance, working with mobile, and indeed, content is there immediately. So I really love how easy it is to use from managing content perspective, but also working with personal devices. So the response we've had so far is that there is loads of capabilities that this platform can offer them. I think people start to consider how they can actually make use of this tool in their existing business processes, whether it's to present internally or to do trainings. There are loads of different use cases possible. But I think the real power is that with all of those capabilities, again, the user experience is so strong and simple, and that's what people love about it. We're showcasing here solutions that we feel are best in class, and exactly for that reason we've selected Reactiv SUITE to be on our stand here today. So I think it is a truly unrivaled solution, and I think the Ricoh interactive display, the Lenovo Compute with the Vegeto software makes for an unbelievable powerful solution.